Tinnitus is a condition characterized by the perception of noise or ringing in the ears when there is no external sound source. This noise can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, whistling, or other sounds. Tinnitus can be temporary or chronic, and it can vary in intensity and frequency. It is not a disease itself, but rather a symptom of an underlying issue. Curing tinnitus can be challenging, as it depends on the specific cause of the condition. Tinnitus is often associated with various underlying factors, including 1. Hearing loss. In many cases, tinnitus is related to age-related hearing loss or noise-induced hearing loss. Managing hearing loss through hearing aids or other devices may alleviate tinnitus. 2. Medical conditions. Tinnitus can be linked to medical conditions like earwax blockages, high blood pressure, cardiovascular issues, or temporomandibular joint (TMJ) disorders. Treating these underlying conditions can help relieve tinnitus. 3. Medication side effects. Some medications can cause or worsen tinnitus as a side effect. If this is the case, changing medications or adjusting the dosage may be necessary. 4. Lifestyle factors. Tinnitus can be exacerbated by factors like stress, excessive caffeine or alcohol intake, and exposure to loud noises. Managing stress and making lifestyle changes can help. 5. Sound therapy. Sound therapy techniques, such as using white noise machines, hearing aids, or smartphone apps, can help mask or distract from the tinnitus noise. 6. Counseling. Some people find relief from tinnitus through counseling or cognitive behavioral therapy, which can help change negative thought patterns and improve emotional well-being. Tinnitus retraining therapy, TRT. TRT combines counseling and sound therapy to help individuals habituate to the tinnitus sound, reducing its impact on their lives. While complete cure is not always possible, many people can find relief and significantly reduce the impact of tinnitus on their daily lives with the right interventions. For more tips on tinnitus, remedies, and ringing in ears relief, please visit our website below. Thank you.